Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda Eze, and we are back today with a different type of video. I know my face is not beat for this intro, but it's fine. It's not every day that we're gonna have to wear makeup before we come and film, okay? So today we're going to be doing a review on a special product that I bought from Amazon. I just discovered it, and let me tell you guys something. This product is the game changer, okay? Now, we all know the Beats headset, right? Yeah, here it is, right here. So this is my Beats headset, and I bought this, say, about 4 years ago. And take a look at how raggedy this Beats headset looks right now. Take a look at the air part. The leather is peeling off. You know, it has outlived its purpose, okay? You know, I've used it for 4 years and it served me well because I use it almost every day. But when I think about trying to get a new headset just because of this part, Beats Apple products are not that cheap, okay? This headset was expensive. I don't want to just toss it away when it's working perfectly fine and start making use of another one or buy another one just because of this foam part here. So I went on Amazon and I looked for replaceable ear pads, and I found this product, right? Had a lot of wonderful review. Here it is right here, okay? This had a lot of good reviews on Amazon. It says replaceable, soft, comfortable and durable. I'm going to, you know, put how much I paid for it, but it wasn't that expensive. I think it was $10 or so. I can't remember exactly how much I spent, but I'm going to leave all that on the screen somewhere and in the description box. But I didn't know this existed, okay? That is why I'm really excited. This is my first time of opening it up. It comes with let's see, it comes with 2 ear pads like this, which to be honest looks kind of the same with my Beats headset ear pads, maybe a little bit slimmer. So I mean, if this works, then woo, you're good to go. And this, the second part, and then it comes with a cleaning wipe right here, and it comes with, I don't know what to call this tool, like a spatula, like some form of tool. I believe it's for you to help you pick out the other headset. So we are going to demonstrate, see how it goes. Is there any form of instruction here? Oh, there is. At the back of the packet there's just like 3-step easy installation, you know, instruction. So we are going to try this out. I am really excited, but before we do that, click the like button, okay? Click the subscribe button. It's free. Share this video to your friends, because you don't know who might need a new ear pad that does not know it exists. I did not know that until I did my research. So share to your friends and family. Don't forget to click the notification bell so anytime I upload a video you get notified, okay? So let's go. So it says take apart, clean up the residual glue. So it says, oh god, please, I'm crossing my fingers, I don't want to destroy my Beats headset, I'm telling you, because if I do that, how am I going to take this thing apart? Please let this video not be a fail, because I don't know where to start. Or I honestly don't know where to start. Is it the foam that I'm taking out, or is it the plastic? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm going to stand up so you guys can see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to take out this part because they said take this part and clean up the glue, but I don't know if I'm supposed to take this part off or this part off. It doesn't really say. Hey God, please let me not destroy my headset. This is not as easy as they said it was going to be. Say 3 easy steps. Just take it out. Wait, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Okay, maybe it's the foam part. Let me try the foam part. It's definitely not the foam part, because see, when you take off the foam part, there's also this part attached to the inside that needs to be taken off. Trying to take it out. So why is mine not coming out? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Ooh, the glue that they used on this stuff is really, really hard. Jesus Christ. Yes. Okay. We got it out. We got it out. See? Okay. Right here. See this? Right here. I'm trying to make... Okay. There you go. This is how it looks. So I'm taking the wipe that was there. I'm trying to clean up the remaining glue. There. I think it's all clean. And then they said remove the sticker on this one. I believe this is the sticker, this red part right here. And press stably into your earpads. Okay, but how am I supposed to know exactly how it's meant to go? And this looks way... Oh my goodness. Oh hell no. Oh no 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 no. Okay. This video is a fail because these earpads, I should have actually done that first before doing any other thing. These earpads are actually way bigger than my headset. Jesus Christ, what am I going to do now? Oh my God. Maybe I can put my old one back and still be managing it. Oh, don't do what I did in this video by taking it out without measuring, okay? Okay, it came back right. I fixed my old one back. I'm going to be managing it. I'm going to return this one and probably get a smaller size. Oh, I was really excited to make this video. Oh, I'm so mad right now. Oh God. Why didn't I just check how big this thing was first? Eh? Well, bummer. But it's okay. I'm going to just return this. Probably look for a smaller size. Yeah, way too big. I'm just putting it side by side. Just, you can look at it. Look at how this one is, how large this one is, and look at it side by side. So this one is way too large to fit in. So I'm definitely going to return it and see if I'll buy a smaller one, and maybe when I do, then we can complete the video. If I don't, I'm still going to post this one anyways. But if you're looking to replace your earpads, it exists. Just go on Amazon and order it, and then I'll probably find a link and leave it in the description box. And you know, you don't have to buy a new headset once your headsets are still working perfectly fine. So just go on Amazon, order it. Make sure you check the size so you do not behave like me. Make sure you check the size before you buy it, so you don't mistakenly get one that is not the same size with your headset. But I'm definitely going to return this, and then hi guys, so this is the Beat headset. I finally got the correct size, and I just did the exact thing that the instruction said, which was I should just take the old one out and stick on the new one. Very easy to replace. Sorry I did it off camera because I was actually rushing to the gym when I did it, and I didn't want to use the old one. So well, this is the final result, and I'm telling you, it looks amazing. It sounds the same. My headset looks like a new headset, so I think it's actually worth it for the price. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.